Hello everyone, I'm Tim with Discovering the High Life, and today I'm just out at my local park. We still got a little bit of fall leaves lingering around, not too much, but I wanted to use this as another opportunity to practice flying the FPV Avata through some trees. I've been practicing on manual mode in the simulator, but I haven't tried it on the drone itself, so I'm probably not going to be doing manual mode today. I don't want to lose a lot of time with that. I really just want to document some of these fall colors and just practice flying slowly through the trees. And I don't have a whole lot of light, so we're just going to run off one battery here. Got my little landing pad. Okay, cool. We got everything fired up. I'm looking in the goggles now. I should probably record the goggles at some point. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in, seeing what I'm seeing in the goggles. Right now it just says connecting. I'm seeing a little splash screen with a boat. It's telling me to double check to make sure I got the memory card door closed, which I do. So I can click OK on that. Okay, now I'm going to try and sync these here together and click record at the same time. So I'm going to hit record. Am I recording? Yep, I am recording. So now, just gonna do that to try and sync them up later. And not sure if you can see my little landing pad here. There we go. I'm gonna adjust the camera so you can see. And here we go. Let's just do a little practice of flying through the trees. And I don't have any stabilization turned on because I will use the I forget what you call it, the gyro flow. I'll run this through gyro flow at the end to kind of really smooth it out. But for now, ooh, I do not want to have to lose it in these trees over here because I actually don't want to have to go hiking back through there to find it. And I also don't want it to actually get stuck up in the tree. That would be a bummer. There's a little smack of a tree. Let's see where we're at here. Kind of came out of the forest. Let's try to go back in. For this video, I just want to try to practice slow movements. And actually what I should have done before this is I need to turn down my rates. I hate that when that happens and you get a leaf stuck in your view. Man, I've had that happen before. It's a real pain. So I'm going to bring the drone back to take it off so that I can never get it back off. No matter how fast I go, the faster I go, it seems to just pull it in. Oh, looks like it actually got shredded there. That looks like pretty cool. Okay, so let's continue on flying through the trees here at a slow rate. See what we can do. Maybe we'll go a little bit lower this time. But I definitely do need to adjust the rates on this Avata. I have not played around with the rates on this at all. This is just whatever the out-of-the-box default settings are, and I think it's just not super, smooth or cinematic. Oh, there, I hit some trees. See, this is stuff that I just would not be able to do with one of my Mavic drones. It would fall out of the sky if you tried doing this kind of stuff with the Mavic. I mean, how many times already have I brushed trees and leaves just flying around here? Quite a bit. Oh man, I am in Stickville over here. I need to get out. I'm going to come back over to the open space here. So what I want to do is actually go straight up and show you guys kind of what we're looking at here. Obviously straight down is not the best view unless you're diving. But let's kind of see where we're at here. I don't usually fly this drone to go super high. Right now I'm at 100 meters, whatever that translates to. But I still got good signal. Is there somebody working in there? No, just got it parked there. Okay, just got it parked there. All right. Anyway, I should go back over to where I was. Let's follow the path. There's actually a little path here.